So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I have my mini Itzy Ritzy diaper bag packed up for child in diapers and the other one fully potty trained. I'm so excited that I finally say that he is 100% potty trained. This is the gray one. They do have 3 other colors. First and foremost, I want to talk about the bottle pockets. They are not insulated. As you can see, I have sippy cup right here. This one is actually the twist and shake sippy cup. This one's one of the more narrow sippy cups, and I kind of struggled putting it in there because there is stuff on the inside pocket, which you would see in a little bit. So getting a wider cup to fit in there, it's going to be a little bit more challenging. You could probably shove it in there, but it's just a lot tougher to really get in and out of there. Now, if you don't have anything in those inside pockets, they will go in a lot smoother. In the front mommy pocket, I have some Carmex, a small jujube set piece as my wallet. That's everything that I have in this pocket. I don't really like to add a lot of stuff because it's kind of hard to get into it, in my opinion. So this bag unzips all the way down, which is really nice, but if you don't want it to go all the way down, you could easily just zip it halfway, and then if you need to pull something out, you can just pull it out like that. I do have a pocket right here that is made entirely, but in here I just have a packet of wipes in case I need to use them. This little doodle board that I got at the Target dollar spot a while back. I also have an Honest Company hand sanitizer spray. So here in this metal section, I have the medium piece from the Lily Jade packing cases, which I have already done a review. If you haven't already checked it out, definitely go do so. Everything that I use for my potty trained 3-year-old. So in here I have a pair of pants, I have a jujube Be Dry, I have a Gerber's training underwear just in case there are any accidents, 3 of these toilet covers. I also have some sticky notes for those automatic toilets. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like. You have 2 side pockets right here. When I was going over the bottle pocket, in this pocket right here, I have 2 packets of applesauce in case. In this other side pocket, this pomada de la campana, and it's basically a skin ointment. It's kind of like a lotion, and I like to use this for my super duper dry skin in the winter. A panty liner, it's kind of random. I have some of these little floss things. They came in this little case, which I thought was nifty. I also just carry around some of this allergy medicine for the kiddos just in case. In this back elastic pocket, I've actually noticed that a lot of people use this for this purpose, and it's where all my diapering stuff is. I had to change the lighting a bit. This thing is kind of hard to focus. I just barely got this YB clutch from Modern & More, and it is their updated version, which so far I'm absolutely in love with. Now I will be doing a review on this, so if you guys want to know my thoughts on that, definitely subscribe so you can know when that video is uploaded. It has straps on the back to add diapers. Just have Dr. Smith diaper rash cream. This is the changing pad that the bag comes with, and it's made of the same material that the bag is. Let me see if I can get a better shot of just how big this is. I think it's not too small in my opinion. Hopefully you guys can kind of tell. This side is more of a soft side, and it goes on the bottom. It being this material, it makes the surface wipeable. And then I have 3 size 6 diapers. So that is basically everything that I've been carrying for my kids for the past while. I don't even know how long, but now I'm just going to repack the bag back up. All these words that we keep aiming with. Who said it first? Who said it first? Let's not go down like this. Take your pain, take all of the emotions that you feel. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it and you found it helpful. Let me know what you think about this bag if you already own it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.